I'm Lan.
And I'm Nan.
Today we're at Seafood City.
I am Nan.
I am Lan. It's Nan and Lann! Today we are going to challenge ourselves and we're going to try out new snacks that we have not tried at Seafood City. So let's get shopping. Our basket is nearly full. Are we ready to try some stuff out?
Yeah.
So we just got back from Seafood City and we picked out a bunch of delicious, awesome snacks in their snack aisle. Things that we've never tried before, neither her or I. So, yeah, let's get to it. So this one's called corn cheese.
You would figure that it would look orange. But
just like the picture. It does not look like the picture, guys. Looks like packaging peanuts.
Oh. It's savory with chocolate on it.
It's not chocolate. These are pretty alright. So they have this like kind of corn puff consistency. The corn puff part itself is kind of meh. And then I think what gives it its flavor is that little layer of, I don't know what, cream cheese. So they're delicious, but they don't taste like cream cheese.
Oh, yeah, it is good, but I don't like it because you know that feeling where it's like too sugary and it like leaves your top of the roof like smooth.
Next snack. So this next snack here is the Ramen flavored gummy candy. Ramen is this really neat soda contraption thing. It's a cool little
glass
soda contraption with a little glass marble that you, when you open it, you pop the marble into the soda and
so that
fizzes,
like
and then
yeah,
it's fun. Oh, cool. They come in these little individually wrapped packages. You smell something really
bubblegummy.
It's really sweet. Little gummy candies. I don't have a word to describe it. It's kind of like I don't know. Next.
Like it has a weird aftertaste. These are caramel maple corn.
Made with Canada maple syrup. Ooh. Smells like breakfast in there.
It really smells just like pancakes. Mine looks like a circle.
Yeah. Mine looks like a travel pillow that you put around your neck.
Whoa.
They definitely do have that corn puff kind of texture. Really nice and crispy. Nice sweetness. It's not too sweet. And you get that hint of maple. It's really good.
Don't put fingers in my room.
No! Good job, Canada. Or actually, product of Korea. So good job, Korea and Canada.
This is called Duo.
It's made by the Sunflower Cracker Company. So if you've ever been to Seafood City and you see those big yellow containers that say sunflower on it and they have like different flavored crackers. But we've never tried the Duo version, which is 2 different flavors. There was one at the store that was chocolate and peanut butter, but then we saw this and it's strawberry and blueberry cream.
Yum.
Did you just burp? So I love sunflower crackers because they already come in these little neat individual packets. So they come in these really neat sandwich stacks. 3 layers of crackers and then 2 layers of the filling. So there you go. It doesn't seem like it's strawberry and blueberry. I don't see the blue.
It's like a basic sunflower.
Okay, I get like this perfumey kind of fruity taste in my mouth, and I don't, that's, no.
Now my breath smells like perfume.
It kind of has that fake strawberry taste. I don't know if you can see this, but the filling's kind of got that, it's like a little drier than an Oreo cookie filling.
Oh, don't try just the cream. Please don't. Okay, next. These are called curly tops.
Rich chocolate for chocolate lovers.
And it only says milk chocolate.
I am a chocolate lover. Let's see if I end up loving these. Kind of looks like a Rolo.
Oh, solid center.
Solid piece of chocolate. It's not your typical milk chocolate, like American milk chocolate. It's got this, like, it's got a sort of grit to it, but then you chew into it and you know, let it melt in your mouth, and it's super, super creamy. You could taste the milk in the milk chocolate. This next one is Cupcakes and Company Ube cupcake. I wouldn't necessarily think that it was a cupcake because it doesn't have frosting on it. I believe anything purple is delicious and good. People, like, look at that. Bam. Purple cupcake. Oh man. Ube, if you don't know, is a it's from the it's taro. It's a purple yam. And if you're familiar with Filipino desserts and things like that, they use it in a lot of different baked goods.
It's exactly like ube, just more like bready.
On the exterior, it's like really nice and spongy, but then you like really get into the interior and it's got this like almost like dense quality to it. It's actually really rich cupcake.
I'm going to have it for breakfast and you're not, because I'm going to win because I am cute.
This, guys, I'm not sure about. These are called broad beans, and apparently this is made with garlic and salt and palm oil, so I know it's a savory snack. I anticipate some kind of crunchy, nutty kind of thing. They look like oversized, either fried or baked, like lima beans in a way. Okay. Cheers. That's actually not bad. Oh my gosh, what do these remind me of? So they kind of taste like the soy nuts. It's okay. I don't really taste the garlic flavor, but it's alright. Alright, last but not least, we have melon cakes. Come in these cool little packages. I think there's about, there's 10 little individual cakes in here. Little individual cakes inside the packages.
Feels so fluffy inside.
Melon cake. Looks nice and spongy. Oh, it smells like, it smells like
cantaloupe,
like a cantaloupe, like milk tea.
It's it's dry but like spongy also. See?
Really, really spongy texture. Really light and airy. A little dry. But you could definitely taste that melon flavor. It's really got that really good. If you're a fan of honeydew or cantaloupe and floofy, spongy cakes, get the melon cake.
I like the caramel maple corn things, those little like puffs. And I like the ube, of course. And I also like the lemon cake.
Being a chocolate fan, I really liked the curly tops. I really enjoyed the corn cheese, even though it like really didn't taste like what the package advertises. It was still really delicious. And I really liked the caramel maple corn puff things. Really delicious.
That was my favorite.
Yeah, I think that was, out of all the ones that we tried, those were the best. That was our latest vlog, guys. Thank you for watching.
Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and make sure to put on our post notification bell thing.
No, never mind. We'll cut that.
Make sure to give it a thumb. Hit that subscribe button. Wait.